Been playing in this league since 1981. I started off with a team called Trey 5 Aces, neighborhood team from off 35th Street. Out of maybe 35 years of playing, I've won the championship twice. Okay, this league is based on neighborhood softball teams. We all come from different neighborhoods, Inglewood, the far south side, Argyle Gardens. But on Sundays, this tournament, we have about 44 teams registered with about 20, 25 guys per roster, each team. We base our softball season around what we do up here on Sundays. So, you know, it's a pretty rich league.
Let's go, gang!
Yeah, we were pretty much hoping that we did get the Olympics, but since we didn't, you know, it's a godsend that we kept our park intact. So, if we wouldn't have, if the Olympics would have came in, we would have been out of a place to play. We just got these lights in about 6, 7 years ago, and at that time, that's when Mayor Daley had lobbied for the Olympics to come into Chicago, and fortunately, we didn't get it. So we're still here. Hopefully we'll be here for a nice time to come.
This job is boat captain, tender captain for Monroe Harbor. You take people from the dock, bring them to their boats, and you pick people up from their boats and bring them to the dock. It's very unique to Monroe Harbor and specifically Chicago, because no other harbor has this capacity that we have here. Most of the concern of us was, what are we going to do? I mean, are they going to push us out of the harbor, and where are they going to put all the customers' boats? Are they going to have enough capacity at the other harbors? And what the plan was, and it was kind of vague then, but it never happened. So if it was only for one season, I don't know. It might have been cool. They might have kept us on the payroll doing something, I don't know. And then you'd have all these foreign people coming down here, and the whole world basically coming down here. So it would have been something. It would have been a sight to see. I like the Olympics in general. I'm not really a sports guy, but I do like the Olympics.
North Juliet 11, you're on the list.
We are pretty much right on the lakefront, 15 feet off the path. We've been here 13 years. This was going to be the tennis venue. They were going to put several outdoor courts and then one main. They were going to move the bike path along Lakeshore Drive. They were going to put up a fence, and there was going to be absolutely no access to this area over 2 summers. This path is used by 5,000 people a day during the week, and over 10,000 people use this path on the weekend. All of that would have been completely disrupted. The park is made for the people to use. It's free. No one would have been able to use it for 2 weeks, and we would have been displaced for 2 summers. I have a hard time when there's a Cubs game here. When, like, say the Crosstown Classic, the Chicago Cubs and a White Sox meet. Good luck coming in east of Clark. Imagine having the whole world, all the attention. We weren't prepared for it, and I love this city so much, but thank goodness we didn't get the games.